Today when I came into Mount Vernon, I particularly went through Iowa City so that I could come up Highway 1 and see the chapel and the tower. And of course the tower has meant a lot to anyone who's graduated from Cornell, means a lot to me. I remember one summer I read all the novels of Thomas Hardy, and he talked about a particular chapel, talked about the spire of the chapel standing for something, and so I've always thought that the chapel here stood for something too, and it stands in my mind for education and for culture, and of course in 1882 when it was put up, it was certainly standing for the Methodist Church as well. We have always wanted to support Cornell, and particularly the buildings and grounds. I'm very fond of this campus. The clock tower is the iconic symbol of Cornell College, and so of course I think it should be saved.